I might have to reset the contacts. Or reseat, I guess. That's the proper way to say it. There we go. I just got to pick up the console. The controller, so that way it sits properly. Let me go ahead and put everything back the way it was. Like so. Put these screws back into place. There we go. There's one. You guys didn't see that. Oh no. Oh, there it is. Is it magnetic? It is. I don't know why it fell. There we go. All right. Let me go ahead and put the back. Oh, that fits way better. Okay, well, at least I fixed that. Let me go ahead and put this Philips 1 back and go back to the Philips 0.
If you enjoyed and want more of this type of content, leave a like and subscribe for future videos and shorts.